everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of At Home with Chrissy. So today on my channel we're actually going to be doing some no-bake strawberry cheesecake cups. That's right, strawberry cheesecakes in a cup. These are going to be so delicious, so easy. You don't have to bake anything. You can just prepare it and eat it. That's how easy it's going to be today. So super excited. I think you guys are going to love this recipe. I love to cook, I love to bake, I love to create things. I'm just an all-around creator, hence Chrissy the creator name. So I'm super excited to share with you guys this recipe. I think it's going to be super fun. If you have kids at home, you can definitely have them create this with you. You can just kind of stack it up and make it really fun. And I think this is a great dessert that you can make if you're having a dinner party or brunch with the girls. Anything that you just want to have like a little mini treat for, that you don't have to spend hours in the kitchen baking and preparing. This is definitely it. So if you'd like to see how to make this no-bake strawberry cheesecake in a cup, but don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so once again we're going to be making a no-bake, that's right, no-bake strawberry cheesecake in a cup. I'm super excited to share with you guys this recipe. So for today we're going to be needing a few ingredients. So I'm going to go over the ingredients with you all today. So first off, we're going to be needing some graham cracker crumbs. You can get graham cracker cookies or crackers and you can break them up yourself and crumble them. However, Honey Maid came out with these amazing graham cracker crumbs. They already eat crumbs, so they're doing all the smashing for you. Now if you need a bit of a workout, gotta get some frustration out, and you feel like you want to just smash them yourself, go right ahead and get the original ones and then just smash them. Okay, so we're gonna be needing this for sure for today. This is gonna be our crust and our topping, and just so delicious. Next, we're going to be using some strawberry preserves. This is actually the strawberry fruit spread, and I got this because sometimes I don't want such a chunky kind of texture. I just want something really smooth, really nice to kind of just lay over the actual cream cheese filling. But if you do want to use, like, let's say, you know, if you don't like strawberries, you say you want to use peaches or blueberries, or it could be any type of cheesecake that you want it to be. You can get real strawberries and you can add that in there, but again, I just wanted to make it as easy and as simple as possible. So for today, we're going to be using some strawberry fruit spread. Next, we're going to be using a bowl, and the bowl is going to just be for us to be able to pour the crumbs into. That way we can easily put them into the cup. A few spoons, of course, some cups. These are the cups that I have for today. So you can see they're really cute, really just small cups. You can make this as big or as small as you want it to be. If you want to do like little mini cups or really big cups, go right ahead. But for today, we're going to just keep it a little like mini, kind of medium size. So this is going to be the size for today. Next, we're going to be using 2 8-ounce boxes of cream cheese. You want them to be at room temperature, so I took them up just a little while ago and I just let them sit here for a little bit. Okay, then we're going to be using some heavy cream as well. Altogether, it's going to be 2 cups of heavy cream, and I've already measured it out onto my measuring cup right here. So again, 2 cups of heavy cream, which I have it right here. Then for sugar, we're going to be using half a cup of sugar. I've already measured it and put it into here. But again, just half a cup of sugar is all you need. And last but not least, we're going to be using some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon or so. So again, vanilla extract. And that's it. Now we can start creating the cups. So first, what I want to do is I want to just pour the crumbs into the cup. That way I just have them ready to go. This is good, but at the same time it's kind of bad because I feel like I can just pour it over everything. I can see me pouring it over like ice cream or just like any little treat that I have, some chocolate, whatever. So good. So I'm going to pour some of the crumbs. As you can see, they already come, the crumb mixture already crumbled, and then just pour them into the cup. Pour them into the bowl, sorry. So just pour, I'm going to pour about a bowl size, not too much, because I'm going to do a whole bunch of cups, but again, depending on how much you want, how much you're going to create, that's how much you're going to pour into here. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the cream cheese filling. So this is where it gets super exciting. So all you're going to need is preferably a mixer, just because sometimes with the cream cheese it can be a little thick and a little hard to mix by hand, so I wouldn't suggest mixing it by hand. If you have a handheld mixer, that works as well, but I am going to be using my KitchenAid mixer for today. So let's get to it. So we're going to get started. We have the 2 8-ounce cubes of cream cheese. We have the half a cup of sugar. We have the vanilla extract and the 2 cups of heavy cream. So we're first going to throw in the cream cheese to our mixer. Throw it right in there. It's been softening for a little bit. Okay, the next one. So once that's in there, we want to first start mixing it. So we're gonna just bring down the mixer and we're gonna just stir it slowly first. Don't be alarmed, obviously it's gonna come together first, but just keep mixing it. Bring it to about 4. Okay, just so it can start to separate. And then when it starts to separate, I just like to speed it up to about 6. Just so it can start to get onto the pan itself. Then I'm going to throw in half a cup of the sugar. So then now you want to throw another sugar. Okay, just throw it right in there. Okay, half a cup. And now mix it all together. So again, start slow always, and then speed it up. Okay, so once you see that it starts to incorporate and it's actually getting onto the bowl itself, this is when you want to add in the vanilla extract. So again, it's going to be just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and just throw it right in there. Okay, you want to now combine this, so mix it all together. Put it on the low speed and very carefully, and I want to reiterate, very carefully start to mix in the 2 cups of heavy cream. So you're going to do this little by little. You don't want it to splash all over you, so you have to go little by little, okay? Okay, so now that a little bit is mixed in, you want to add a bit more. And as you can see, I'm just pouring it in very little bit. So you want to gradually add the heavy cream in here, because if you add it all at once, it's just going to splash at you. And you're going to have a big mess in your kitchen. Okay, so just continue this process until you've mixed in the full 2 cups of heavy cream. Okay, so once it's really well combined like that, and you'll know because when you lift this up, it'll look just like that. It'll really just stay, it'll look really nice and whipped, and it'll hold its shape. Okay, so now that we have done our mixing, we're all set. So again, this is what you want. You want a consistency just like this. It's really airy, really fluffy, and it just really holds its shape. You lift it up, it does not plop down, it's really nice and sturdy. So this is exactly what you want when you're creating this recipe. So now is the fun part. Now we get to just assemble the cups. So that's it. That's pretty much the assembly type of portion for it, the mixing portion for it. That's all you're gonna have to do. You're not gonna have to bake anything. You're not gonna have to, you know, do anything really complex. You're just stirring a few things and mixing it all together, letting the mixer do its job, and that's it. Okay, so now we're gonna start to assemble the cups. So first I'm going to take one of the cups and I'm gonna add some crumbs at the bottom. Just as you would have in a regular cheesecake, you always have the crumbs right at the bottom. So I'm gonna add about a spoonful and a half of crumbs, so you can see you're just starting off with about this much. And then I'm gonna be going right into the cream cheese mixture, and I'm gonna be taking right into the cream cheese mixture. And it's just so perfect because it's nice and creamy and cheesy and a little sweet, but not too much. You want to just add that in there and then just kind of push it downward. That way it keeps it shaped really nicely. And this is the part that if you have kids, this is really fun for them to do. They can start to assemble it and they can have a really, really fun time just making it their own. So now I'm going to open up the strawberry fruit spread. And again, if you wanted to use, let's say, peaches or blueberries, or if you wanted to use raspberries, anything will go really, really good with this recipe. So the sky's the limit. Get creative, guys. So I'm going to take some of the fruit spread, just mix it around. Ah, it smells so good. Yeah. And I'm going to add just a bit of the fruit spread right on top. Okay, you want to add just enough so it kind of coats all over the cream cheese mixture. See? Just like that. And then, okay, and then once you have enough, you want to repeat the process. So again, some more crumbs right on top. About a spoonful and a half is just enough. Shake it up. with some more of the cream cheese mixture. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, just like that. Okay, then to this I'm going to add a bit more of the fruit spread, so the strawberry fruit spread right on top. So good. Okay, and then just to top it off, I'm going to add just a dash more of the crumbs, just right in the center. Okay, and that is it. That is your no-bake strawberry cheesecake in a cup. Super delicious, super fun. I'm going to create some more and I'll be right back. Okay, and there you have it, your no-bake strawberry cheesecake in a cup dessert. This is super easy, super fun, and I love that each one looks different yet really homemade. I hope that you guys really enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video and if you'd like to see more. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.